December 2025, the UK's public switched telephone network is being switched off for good. The PSTN, that's industry jargon for the old analogue phone system, is still used by millions of us. But that's all set to change, and everyone is affected. Like everything else, the phone network is going digital. Put simply, everything will use the internet. It means you may need to install a new phone system. You might have heard of VoIP phones, but it could also affect other devices if they currently run on analogue phone lines. Perhaps your EPOS machines, cameras, or the alarm in your lift. This might all sound like a big deal, but we manage big upgrades every day, and the benefits of changing go way beyond a clearer phone signal. A new system should bring better flexibility, lower costs, greater reliability, and a better experience for your customers. You may also need to upgrade your broadband to fibre as it's rolled out around the country. Although the big switch off doesn't happen until 2025, there's likely to be a rush as the deadline approaches. So start planning now, and remember that we're here to help at every step.